Oh.
Oh yeah, there's a big ravine down there. I'd be careful. You don't want to fall or anything.
Stop!
It was an accident.
Well, at least you have the book.
Oh. Yes, I have the book. Are you a furry?
I am not. A lot of people think I am, but I'm not. James is the furry.
Is he actually a furry?
I believe so.
Okay. I
But
mean,
I
there's
think
nothing
he's in a
wrong with
little bit
that.
there's nothing wrong with being a furry. I think he's just in denial, though.
I wondered
But you
because
didn't hear it from me.
I mean, I'll be honest. I've googled the odd ones out furry before just to find out.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Well, it's been confirmed. Not by me.
Okay. By him?
I don't know who confirmed it.
The furries confirmed it.
Are you joshing me?
I'm not joshing you. Let's not.
Oh, there's
whoa,
lava.
whoa! Don't do that. Don't do that. In fact, could you just go back? Just go like cook something. No, I don't mean that in like a stereotype way. Okay. Because you're a woman. It was more like a. Yeah.
I bet. You know what? I have a plan.
What's your plan?
If we can jump into the spider web, we can probably.
Oh, that's such an awful
have
idea.
enough time to put blocks down before we.
If
fall
you
in the
want to
lava.
do that, be my guest.
I should probably go cook something.
Yeah, I think you might want to go cook something.
Technically, I'm Canadian,
Gotcha.
but it's easier to just say Japanese because that's what people want to hear.
Yeah, I'm very white.
What kind of white?
Pasty.
Can I ask? What's your favorite thing about it?
Favorite thing about the Nether?
Yeah.
There is no.
Oh, look out! Look out! Oh, I'm running!
I hate this place. I hate it so much. I hate it so much. I just can't stand this place.
Look how safe this bridge is.
Yeah, no, this makes me very anxious.
Oh.
I'll keep mining.
Do you need anything while I'm out?
Sorry, I'm fighting a big pig.
Big pig. Yeah, your ex-wife.
Hey, good one.
This is going great.
I feel like I just looked into your deep, soulless eyes and the abyss stared back when you said that. I did Minecraft with Pokemon once.
And how'd that go?
Oh, it was
Oh,
terrible.
an Enderman. Did she not like the awkward humor?
Well, it was awkward humor, plus I was extremely nervous because it was Pokemon, and
Yeah.
I had never been in front of her audience before. So
I know she's big, but I don't know like what
she's big, and she's also a businesswoman, and she's terrifying to talk to.
She probably does a lot of stocks.
I don't know. I don't know what she does. Probably cries a lot.
Cries.
Maybe we should just start killing the chickens.
Yeah.
All right.
Or we could just start breeding them.
You don't seem like you're a fan of that.
I don't... Look, I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, I found it.
What, really?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh.
What, did it scare you? Did it scare you?
I heard the sound and then a zombie came out.
I hate
Carson,
that.
are you sexist?
Yes.
Oh shoot, me too.
I mean, no.
You have birds, right? You have birds.
I do. One of them bit me and I'm bleeding now.
Oh,
What the heck?
ouch.
What?
Wait, how did you guess it?
I got it. I'm cultured.
Well,
I think you guys are cheating.
yeah.
No.
Blood.
That's mean. He's bleeding. What's
Oh my God. Stop!
Can you put a
God.
censor bar over it?
Yeah,
can
put
you
a
censor
sensor
that,
bar
please?
over it.
Can you tell me the
Censor
word
bar.
too?
We're dying. Guys, we
It's
didn't get
him.
the word.
Oh.
Jackie Chan.
I want to serve steak, and looking at you right now, I don't see any steak in your hands.
Mark, enter the scene and you're Mark Rober. Mark, do you know what's going on?
My name. I'm having technical.
Yeah, he's just a little confused.
I
Jaiden,
don't know.
come
I'm
into
Swedish.
the scene and
I can be Mark.
you
Yeah.
and you're Mark Rober.
Is that
Hi,
Mark
guys.
Rover?
Yeah, it is.
You got cheese pizza?
No, I'm just Mark Rober.
You landed
Steak?
Curiosity Rover, but you can't make a cheese pizza?
No, I'm here. I got some technical difficulties, but let me just think about what Mark Rober would say in this situation.
I mean, I think he might want some meatballs.
You guys got meatballs? I'm Mark Rober.
Yes.
I've just like recently been trying to get over my weird phobia. For the longest time, I only followed like 120 people.
Well, I won't lie. I popped off when you followed me, so.
What?
I popped off when you followed me, like, I don't know, like a year ago, maybe? I don't know when it was.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, Jaiden Animations. I was like, sick. I've been a fan of you. I've watched you for a while, so.
Thanks. I don't know why I followed you. I think I was like, he seems nice.
That's fair.
Oh crap.
Yeah, I'm a fan of you. I don't know why I followed you.